Hey, I wanted to do a quick overview of our group influencer software. Basically, it's a software that allows you to go inside of any Facebook group and pick up the most influential posts, the most influential comments, so you can engage with that content or even prospect those people that have made those comments and have the most engaging comments on Facebook. As you can see from my screen, it's called GruFlu. And what you can do with this particular software is scan any Facebook group. You can assign points for any like. You could, if you want to target people that do a lot of likes or the post with the most likes, you can give points for that. You could also give points for comments if you want it to be even with likes, you can, but we always give it extra points for comments because you want people that are in the group actually communicating, because those are going to be the most engaging people in the group. You can set time delays on how long it takes to scan each post. And for demonstration, we're just going to do 5 posts for this particular group. So we're going to go ahead and hit scan, and it's going to scan the group to see what is the most engaging content inside the Facebook group. As you can see, it's scrolling down and the scan is complete. Once completed, you could hit show scan data. Once you have the scan data, you'll see these are the most engaging content inside the ClickFunnels community. From inside the software, you could go to that particular post directly and you can see, hey, what did this person talk about? Hey, this person is talking about a VA. So if you're in the virtual assistant niche, you could probably reach out to this guy and say, hey, I heard you're looking for a virtual assistant. This is our offer, or this is what we provide. So automatically you can generate a sale simply by finding posts just like this one. Next, I'll check out this particular post by Hannah Johnson. Let's see what she was talking about. Again, Hannah did a value post, it looks like. She broke down some steps. So maybe she's in the coaching niche, or maybe she's looking for a coach. You see people in the comments, they're talking about time management. If you're in a coach in the performance niche, you could maybe help this guy with time management. Let's see, taking action, productivity. So let's say I'm in the coaching niche. These people are looking for coaching. So do you want to, you can engage with the comments. You could probably message them, send them a message, say, hey, I seen your comment in the ClickFunnels group. I'm glad you shared your weaknesses. I really appreciate that. Build a rapport with that person. This person could be someone that could be a potential lead for a coaching program. So let's get back to the software. So this software allows you to go to the actual post, see the comments as I just showed, and also it shows you the most influential people inside the group based off of those 5 comments, those 5 posts. So you could go check out their profile and engage with those particular people and say, hey, I seen your post in the ClickFunnels group. This is the post. Are you looking for help with a VA? That's an automatic sale almost. You might obviously need to build some rapport, but what kind of software would you use to go inside the group and see, hey, automatically somebody's looking for a VA and I just happen to sell VAs or have a VA agency. Somebody's looking for coaching. Build rapport, make sales. So the group automatically gives you a way to get engaged with the most influential people in the group. And let's just say, for instance, you're working with a VA and you don't want to do all this stuff yourself. You could download CSV file of the most influential people inside of the group. And what you could do, you could upload it to a spreadsheet, which I'm going to do here. hit upload, drag and drop, and I'm going to import that information onto a spreadsheet. Now what you could do with this information now that you have a spreadsheet, it's the same exact information you have here, but now it's in a spreadsheet form. So now you can do follow-up and engage with these people and see what you can offer or help these people with. Now, to supercharge this information, what you can do with it, we're going to supercharge it with a little highlighter, is basically what you can do is not only do you have the information here and you can use this as follow-up, but if you have a CRM that has tags in it, you could tag these people based off of your follow-up. So you could tag this person VA lead. Obviously, you need to have this person inside of your CRM automatically, but you can build your engagement with this particular person because you have more information. So it depends on your CRM, of course, but having this in a spreadsheet, you can do a lot more with the data. You can have a VA reach out to them and do follow-up for you, and you can track it in a spreadsheet. And over time, you can see the value of having a piece of software that can scan a Facebook group and tell you, hey, these are the most influential posts. This is what people are looking for, and this is what I have to offer. So if you want access to this, just go ahead and sign up now, and you can get access to this for a very low price.